Right, so I've got that running, of course. It's saying this one's on like 4.04, which is okay, as long as it doesn't go up to 4.2. I don't really want it to go to 4.2. Yep. And I believe when it's actually in the car, they only charge it to 4 volts. They don't charge it to 4.2. Okay. The voltage is still saying there 11.5. This one's saying 11.4. Okay. 3.8 on the first one, and the last one's on 3.5. Yeah. But the power pack still says it's putting out an amp. And I did actually put the meter clamp on it to make sure it is still running an amp, and well, yeah, it is. Ha ha ha. You know, so I don't know. I'm not sure about that. That's interesting. Yeah, same circuit, of course. This isn't used. I'll just put it on there. I did a grey. Is it the same grey? It might not be the same grey, but anyhow, let's pull. Oh, that's it. That's quite thin as well. Yeah, slightly lighter is the other one. It's like a mucky one. Oops, let's see. There we go. Yeah, this one broke though. Look, you can see. It's correctly done the print and it's correctly done it, but it's, I don't know. Didn't like coming off that. Yeah, it's actually cracked because I took it off at this corner here and then slid it down and it cracked as I went, I think, or something like that. Yeah. The print looks okay. Yeah, everything's sticking out. It's even got these. So I think we're all. Oh, is it missing? Oh, it's missing the roof. Yeah, but I think that's actually missing from the print. So there you go. Anyway, back to this. Okay, so we've replicated it in the car. Yeah, lots of burnt wires, lots of bare wires, and you can probably see where. Oh dear, that's a shame. Bit of smell of burnt flesh, but there you go. So these are connected in the same. It's the same configuration. First one's connected direct. 2 red LEDs, and then with a 10k as a load, and then we've got 2 blues and a red with 2 10ks as a PD. The same, but I also added this one, which is the high side, which is connected to the battery positive. This is a battery of cells. People are nomenclature, right? This is a cell. This is a battery pack, right? There is no battery in this anywhere. Okay, this is not a battery. This is a cell. In a way, you can say that it's a single cell battery, but stupid. Right, so this one is actually measuring the voltage of the full pack, and you can gone off, and you can see it's within the voltage range of the ADC input. Okay, now it's a while since I've done that one, and I don't know if I'm okay. Let's measure it. So it'll show as a negative because I'm just transferring the negative pin. Right, but this, okay, this is the actual voltage across the Zeners. 2 Zeners, one's a 20, the other's a 30, right, and that's showing pretty much exactly 50 volts, but a few millivolts, you know, a few tens of millivolts, right, so that voltage drop is great, it's almost exactly 50 volts. The pack voltage is 52, right, which means that it should read out across the resistor. Oh look, 1.9. And what does it read? It's the last one. Oh, let me turn this off. Yeah. So it reads, the last one is 1.97. 1.97. It just there is it did change. But basically, yeah, it's about like 0.01 or 0.02 volts out, right? I've also checked these, and the voltage inputs are about right. So you can see the first one says 4.042, okay, the pack should be 4 volts a cell. If they're all perfectly balanced, it'll be 4 volts a cell. So if it says 4 volts, it's probably about right. Alright, so the first one's saying 4.04, right? Never mind what it says next to it in brackets, it's because the software needs revising, right? The next one's saying 4.3, right? And then the next one to that is saying 2.6, right? These are the same measurements that are on the one upstairs, okay? So I need to actually calibrate this, right, again, but I'm going to basically generally assume that all of these things are approximately the same. They aren't, because I know the PD that I put in there has got a problem. It's not exactly right. It's an offset slightly. So these resistors, which are probably 20%ers to be frank, right? And I don't know about the rest. The LEDs, I don't know about the PN junctions on the LEDs either, right? But what I'm going to do is put that software in there, and I'm just going to assume it's the same. It isn't. I need to go around, but it's 10 o'clock at night, so all I want to do is see it work. I'm going to just remote into this from the machine upstairs, and then I can then set that. Right, so it's just, I'm going to take this away as well. Oh, can't forget this. Yeah, lots of bare wires isn't good, but it's okay so long as, you know, we don't have any kids running around in here, like me.